Welcome back to The Worldly Traveler. Imagine stepping into a beautifully restored historic landmark where timeless elegance meets modern luxury in the heart of downtown Miami. If you are searching for a hotel that offers classic architecture, contemporary comfort, and easy access to the city's most exciting attractions, today's destination deserves your attention. Today, we are exploring Eurostars Langford in Miami, Florida, a boutique hotel where rich history, stylish design, and exceptional hospitality create an unforgettable travel experience. Located in the vibrant downtown Miami district, this hotel places guests within minutes of the city's famous waterfront, shopping districts, cultural landmarks, and entertainment venues. Whether you are visiting for business, a romantic getaway, or an unforgettable vacation, everything you need is close at hand from the moment guests arrive. They are welcomed by elegant interiors that celebrate the building's historic character while embracing modern sophistication. Beautiful architectural details, refined decor, and warm hospitality create an atmosphere that feels both luxurious and inviting. The guest rooms are thoughtfully designed to provide complete comfort and relaxation. Plush bedding, spacious layouts, elegant furnishings, premium amenities, modern technology, and large windows create a peaceful retreat after a day of exploring Miami. Every room blends classic charm with contemporary convenience to deliver a truly memorable stay. One of the highlights of this hotel is its boutique atmosphere. Unlike larger resorts, this hotel offers personalized service and a peaceful setting where every guest feels valued and welcomed. The attention to detail creates an experience that is both relaxing and memorable. Guests can begin each morning with a delicious breakfast before heading out to discover the city's many attractions. The inviting public spaces also provide comfortable areas to relax, work, or simply enjoy the elegant surroundings. One of the greatest advantages of staying here is the outstanding location. Bayside Marketplace, Bayfront Park, Brickell City Centre, the Port of Miami, Kaseya Center, and the beautiful Biscayne Bay waterfront are all just a short distance away. Whether shopping, sightseeing, attending concerts, or preparing for a cruise, every destination is easily accessible. Visitors can also explore Little Havana, Wynwood Walls, the Design District, and the world-famous beaches that have made Miami one of America's most exciting travel destinations. Every neighborhood offers its own unique culture, incredible restaurants, colorful art, and unforgettable experiences. Food lovers will discover an outstanding selection of nearby restaurants serving authentic Cuban cuisine, fresh seafood, international specialties, and creative fine dining experiences. Every meal becomes another reason to fall in love with Miami. As evening arrives, downtown Miami comes alive with sparkling city lights, lively entertainment, and breathtaking waterfront views. Guests can enjoy a relaxing evening walk, experience the vibrant nightlife, or simply return to the quiet elegance of this hotel after another unforgettable day. What makes this hotel truly special is its ability to combine historic architecture, boutique luxury, personalized hospitality, and one of the finest locations in downtown Miami. Whether traveling for business, a romantic escape, a cultural adventure, or a relaxing vacation, every stay offers comfort, elegance, and lasting memories. This hotel is more than just a place to stay. It is a gateway to discovering the history, culture, energy, and unforgettable beauty that make Miami one of America's most fascinating destinations. Thank you for joining The Worldly Traveler. If this remarkable Miami destination has inspired your next adventure, be sure to subscribe for more luxury hotels, hidden gems, and unforgettable travel experiences from around the world. Until next time, keep exploring and keep discovering the extraordinary places that make every journey truly unforgettable.